We have started working on translating our documentation to various languages. And this is an example how we're doing it. It is not ideal. To some extent it works. I'm going to show you the problems with LLM translations at the end of this video. We are using a local instance of Ollama. We have a separate server for it. And we're using ChatGPT open model for translation. So let me show how it works. So we have a folder which holds all our documentation in MD format, and we use these MD files for to build our wiki website. So we have a source directory, and we have a target directory. This is a directory where we would like to save our translations. We also have language, and we are using a loop position file because the translation is not consistent, unfortunately. So the first step we have is a files loop, and we are using mask here to get list of MD files, and we send the position to loop position file. The next step, we do some calculations. So what we do here, we calculate a new file name called target file, and we also calculate the directory because we store our data in multiple directories, so we have to recreate it. So next step, we create the folder, the file div. We'll load variable. What we do actually here, we load the content of the file into this variable. And next step is we create a prompt. The prompt is not ideal, so unfortunately, you might need to tweak it. So we have a prompt. This Markdown file is a part of technical documentation. Is translated to language, in our case Spanish. Do not translate tags on auto. Content of translator. Here we insert our MD file content. And then we submitted it to Ollama. So we have the URL, we have the prompt. Also save response because we need to validate it. It takes approximately 1 minute to process, sometimes longer. I'm not going to run it right now, it's already processed. After that, we get a response from so basically Ollama return JSON. JSON has a lot of various fields. Let me show it to you. I forgot to tick the variable. Anyway, so JSON has a lot of variables fields. One of them is called response, and we get this response field from JSON returned by Ollama, and we save it into the file. Target file, and we save response to it. So the problem we have that code mutations, probably you are very lucky if you never heard about it. So let me show you the actual translation. For some mysterious reason, Ollama decided to insert this at the beginning of the response. We didn't ask for it. He decided to insert Markdown while no one knows. And here again, it's inserting Markdown. And this one has some of the metadata missing. So it must start from triple dashes. But guess what? They're not there. So translation, to some extent, that is automated, but not really, because we need to find a way to tweak it. Of course, we can use our software to reformat it and replace some YAML and MD data strings, etc. But it's not really ideal. We'll continue working on it. And if we find something, we'll post it. And we're planning to include this package into next release, so you can play with that. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to support forum, and we'll do our best to help you. And of course, as usual, please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.